I'm Dr. Sister Stella Mary, Principal, Stella Maris College. I'm happy to share about the new course program called Home Science, Food Science and Nutrition. This is a multidisciplinary program which will enable students to enhance their capabilities in terms of making different food items.
I am Dr. Anbu Malar, Head of the Department of Home Science, Food Science and Nutrition, Stella Maris College. I am here to bring it to your notice that we, Stella Maris College, the pioneer institution under the University of Madras, we are the first institution to bring up a course called Food Science and Nutrition under the stream of Home Science.
We are B.Sc Home Science first year students, and we Stella Marians are proud to introduce B.Sc Home Science, Food Science and Nutrition.
Our major subjects include food microbiology, food science, chemistry, dietetics, food preservation and food processing.
We are provided with well-equipped labs like chemistry lab, microbiology lab, food analysis lab and bakery lab. We also have well-required instruments like spray dryer, muffle furnace, hot air oven and much more. You will get lots of exposure outside the college, and we are also provided with internships.
We have framed the syllabus according to the need of the industries and looking at the career opportunities of every young woman who is looking for their career and their future.
For higher studies, we can pursue MSc Food Science and Nutrition, Clinical Nutrition, Dietetics, Public Health and Food Technology.
This course offers career opportunities like dietitian, food analyst, food technologist, health consultant and research assistant.
Please join us for a better future in nutrition and well-being.